This video, we're going to talk about how to divide decimals by decimals. They're similar to problems in section 4.5, number 9, and number 25. In our first problem, number 9, we're also going to estimate when dividing by decimals. So we're going to just do these two skills together in this one video with these two problems. So let's go ahead and look at the first problem is 2 4/10 into 8 4/10. Whenever we have a divisor that is a decimal on the outside, we're going to have to slide the decimal point to the right to make the divisor a whole number. We need to slide the decimal point on the inside the same number of times. So we moved it one place to the right on the left, one place to the right on the inside. So one place to the right on the divisor, one place to the right on the dividend. That makes an equivalent problem of 24 into 84. Let's talk about why we can do that with fractions. Since we've already talked about equivalent fractions, our dividend is our numerator of our fraction, and our divisor is our divisor of our fraction, our denominator. We want to get rid of the decimal in the denominator, so we need to multiply by 10 to the first power to slide the decimal one to the right. What we do to the denominator, we have to do to the numerator as well, and that makes an equivalent fraction of 84 over 24, which is where this new problem came from. 24 goes into 84. Not sure, but I'm going to estimate it with 80 divided by 20 is 4 and see if I'm right. This is 4 times 4 is 16, and then 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9. 96 is too big, so my estimate was too big. I'm going to go down. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. 4 minus 2 is 2. 7 minus 7 away from 8 is 1, or 8 minus 7 is 1. 12 is smaller than 24, so I'm in good shape. Put my decimal point there and my decimal point there. And we're going to add 0 in the 10th spot and bring that 0 down. 120 divided by 24 is exactly 5. Like so. And my answer is 3 5/10 exactly. This problem also tells me to estimate and see if my answer is reasonable by rounding to the nearest whole number for my divisor and my dividend, and dividing, and our answer should be about 4, and 3 5/10 is about 4. So that was like number 9. Let's go ahead now and look at our last problem here in this section, and we're going to divide, and on the outside is 5 3/10, and on the inside is 41 34/100. Remember, we're only going to slide one time to the right on the outside, so we're only going to slide one time to the right on the inside. That's going to give us 53 as our divisor. 413 4/10 is our dividend. 50 goes into 400 about 8 times. That would give me 424, which is too big. So I'm going to go down to 7. That's 21. 35 plus 2 is 37. Subtract. 3 minus 1 is 2. Borrow here, and we get 4. And we just said that 8 times 53 was 424. So we end up with an answer of 7 8/10. All right. That's it for our videos with decimals. And we will come back and talk about something else next time. See you for the next set of videos.